Welcome to our Home Decor channel. Today we are diving into the wonderful world of Patio Decor, a perfect way to extend your living space outdoors and create a relaxing retreat. Patio come in many varieties, each offering unique styles and vibes. From classic stone patios to modern concrete slabs, wooden decks, and even tile patios, there is something for every taste and home design. You can choose a cozy, intimate space or a large, entertaining area depending on your needs. One of the most popular way to refresh your patio is through color schemes. Let's talk about two beautiful plates, blue and yellow. The blue color scheme is perfect for creating a calm, serene atmosphere. Think of blue cushions, navy throw pillows, and blue ceramic pots filled with greenery. Blue tones evoke the feeling of water and sky, making your patio feel like a peaceful oasis. Pairing blues with natural wood or white furniture enhance the tranquil vibe. On the other hand, the yellow color scheme brings warmth and cheerfulness. Bright yellow cushions, sunny yellow planters, and golden accent can instantly uplift your patio space. Yellow works wonderfully in spaces that get plenty of sunlight, creating a vibrant and inviting environment for gatherings or quiet morning with coffee. Now imagine combining these two color schemes subtly, soft blues with pops of yellow to balance calmness with energy, making a patio both relaxing and lively. To add a soothing element, consider incorporating a small waterfall features. A little waterfall in your patio not only adds a beautiful visual focal point but also brings the calming sounds of flower water. This natural soundtrack can drown out city noise and enhance your outdoor sanctuary. Waterfalls can be built into stone walls, integrate into planters, or designed as standalone features that fit perfectly in smaller patios. When designing your patio, think about the layout and materials. Stone patios offer durability and a timelessness perfect for rustic or Mediterranean styles. Wooden deck brings warmth and natural feel, ideal for cottage or coastal themes. Concrete patios are versatile and modern, allowing you to customize shapes and finishes easily. Tile patios add color and pattern, perfect for a bohemian or electric styles. Don't forget to accessorize with outdoor rugs, lanterns, and comfortable seating to complete your look. Adding plants in blue, pink, yellow, or styles the color scheme together and brings life to the space. In summary, whether you prefer the common blues, the sunny yellows, the green ones, or a mix of both, your patio can become a beautiful extension of your home. Add a small waterfall to introduce tranquility and choose the patio style that fits your lifestyle and aesthetic. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home decor tips and inspirations. Thank you. Bye bye.